Hi folks, once again, it's for you techs out there that are messing around and tinkering around with computers and you have a little hard time sometimes. I'd like to help you out. If you remember the last video, I showed you about this motherboard I bought from 3D Tech. I put 1 gig of RAM, 512 DDR2 RAM, 667 RAM, or 533 RAM, and I was trying to figure out how to keep the chipset from overheating. It was very hot. I was watching movies. I was testing out on a movie and it froze almost when there was about a half an hour left. So when I touched the chipset, it was very hot. So I took it out and had that gum that they put from a factory. So I took out the gum, that goop that they put in. I cleaned it all out, and I applied new contact cream to it, and it cooled it off somewhat, but it was still pretty hot. And so I was trying to figure out how to do it, how to keep it cool. So I took this fan that I had and I mixed some epoxy together and I just glued it to the top of the chip, and now I feel no heat coming from it at all. It's super cool. See, the north chip is very important because it overheats, and it's one of the chips the first chip that your CPU comes in contact with to access information from. And it does run kind of hot. Well, folks, just a few tips there. I hope you out, and see you so soon. We'll be building more computers, and I'm working on something. I'll show you soon. And this is the new little cheapo build that I made, that I just built. I figure for it has an 80 gig hard drive, a gig of RAM. It has a 3.0 dual core Pentium. And that's basically it. The onboard video. It's pretty good. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I was watching this movie. Pretty good. Not bad for that little build. Not bad at all. I'll see you, folks.